How to use VidIQ. Let's start by accessing VidIQ. Click the link provided in the description below. This will instantly open VidIQ on your web browser. Once you're there, you can either sign up or log in your account if you have one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The first feature we'll explore is the keyword research tool. By entering a keyword related to your video topic, VidIQ will provide you with relevant data such as search volume, competition score, and trend analysis. This information will help you choose the right keywords to optimize your video and improve its visibility in search results. VidIQ's competitor analysis feature is another powerful tool that allows you to gain valuable insights from your competitors' videos. To analyze your competitors' channels, scroll down and navigate the competitors section in VidIQ and enter the URL of the channel you want to analyze. VidIQ will generate a comprehensive report with all the data you need to make informed decisions about your own content strategy. Lastly, let's explore VidIQ's video analytics feature. This feature provides you with in-depth data and insights about your own YouTube videos, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your content. Scroll down and navigate the top videos from your channel section in VidIQ. Within the top videos from your channel section, you'll find an overview of your video's performance, including views and watch time.